Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn exponent. Before we start exponent, let's do a repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So there are 4 2's being added together repeatedly. So I want to shorten this notation and I will rewrite this expression in terms of multiplication. So since we are adding 2, and there are 4 2's being added, so I use 2 times 4 to represent repeated addition. And now let's do a repeated multiplication. You have 4 2's being multiplied together, and I want to introduce a symbol to represent repeated multiplication, and that is exponent. We have 2's being multiplied and for 4 times. So in exponent, we say 2 to the power of 4. This is the structure of exponent. The A in green is called the base, and the base tells you which number is being multiplied. And this superscript n is the power or exponent that tells you how many times the base is being multiplied. And this a to the power of n is equal to a product. Let me denote it in general as y. So let's find the product of the first example we have. We have 5 cubed, or 5 to the power of 3. So that tells you you are to look at the base 5. 5 is being multiplied, and this superscript 3 tells you it's been multiplied for 3 times. So 5 times 5 times 5. And you should get your product as 125. Let's look at another example. You have 2 to the power of 4. So 2 is the base, tells you it's being multiplied. And the superscript 4 tells you it's being multiplied for 4 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And you should get 16. Moving on, you have 9 to the power of 1. So 9 is the base. It's being multiplied for 1 time, so just equal to 9. And the last, you have 10 to the power of 5. So 10 is being multiplied for 5 times. And I believe you should get your answer as 10,000.